Fabiana, and I'm here at RēCOVER, New York City's first recovery studio. It's a one-stop shop for all of your recovery needs. They have technologies that help restore your body and reboot your mind. Let's go check it out.
RēCOVER is a space dedicated to helping athletes restore their bodies, to helping people reboot their minds for cognitive function and stress management, and to help people with weight loss goals reshape their physiques. As you go up, pressure comes off of your body. Atmospheric pressure reduces, and then as you plummet, it increases. So it's a cellular massage. So how rapidly it fluctuates, it's pressure off the cells, pressure on.
I literally feel like I'm in an airplane, taking off.
For athletes, it moves all the metabolic waste. The lactic acid, it helps move blood.
This is so relaxing. I could fall asleep in here.
In the grand scheme of things, nobody wants to be good enough at what they do. If you know that you can be better and the best version of yourself, why wouldn't you? And that's only going to happen if you take the time to address where was I broken down, how do I build it back up stronger.